Hi guys, welcome to another video. Lamborghini Urus, the pinnacle top point right now for four-wheel drives, I believe, so they say. Okay, I have different views. I think it's a good-looking car and everything else, but my God, everybody's got one. But anyway, right, let's talk about what we're doing to you. So it's a pretty popular platform with us. We've done several now, so I'd call it the pinnacle one from the SUVs at the moment. The rest of the VAG group shares a lot of the engines from there. So you've got the RSQ8, SQ7, the RS6. What else is there? But anyway, right. So a lot of the cars use the same engine, so high performance, 650 horsepower, tunable to 750, 800s and all sorts. So very good popular platform. This car is going to go to a tuner after we do what we need to do to it. So let's talk about what we're going to do. So stripping down the engine engine bay as we speak. Stage 2 downpipes, fully decayed, all the way through, right the way to a stock exhaust system. Fully valve controlled nevertheless. So we're going from 6-inch, 5-inch and all the way down, transitioning to 3-inch, all the way down to give you amazing consistency of flow. Keep on watching the video right to the end if you want to hear what it sounds like with a set of downpipes with stock exhaust system. And I'll see you towards the end of the video. Thank you very much guys for all the support so far. Hundreds and hundreds of videos as always. Thank you for the support all over the years, and we'll keep it consistent. Any questions and cars that you haven't seen, always drop us a message and we will always here to accommodate. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.